In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change candle color in TradingView. If your candlestick colors are hard to read, clash with your chart background, or you just want a cleaner look that matches your workflow, customizing them is quick and makes a real difference. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful tips so your chart stays clear and consistent. First, open the chart settings. The fastest way is to right-click anywhere on the chart area and choose Settings from the menu. If you prefer, you can also double-click directly on any candlestick to open the same window. Either method brings up the chart customization panel where all the appearance controls live. Next, head to the Symbol tab inside that Settings window. This tab contains everything related to how your candles look. You'll see sections for candle colors and styles, and this is where you'll make the changes. If you don't see candle options, make sure your chart type is set to candles rather than bars or lines. Now, change the colors. You'll notice separate color boxes for body, borders, and wicks, and each of those has options for bullish and bearish candles. The body is the filled part of the candle that shows the open and close. Borders outline the body and can help define the candle shape on busy charts. Wicks, sometimes called shadows, extend from the top and bottom to show the highs and lows. Click any color box to open the color picker, then choose a color that's easy to read against your background. For example, many traders prefer a bright but not neon color for bullish candles and a deeper contrasting tone for bearish ones. Keep contrast in mind. Borders that are a shade darker than the body can improve visibility, and wicks should be distinct but not overpowering. If you use a dark theme, avoid colors that are too dim. If you use a light theme, avoid colors that are too faint or too close to your background. Take a moment to look at the chart as you adjust so you can judge readability in real time. When you're happy with the look, click OK to apply the changes. Your chart updates immediately, and the new colors are saved to your current layout. If you want to tweak further, you can reopen settings at any time and refine your choices. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to the Symbol tab, adjust body, borders, and wicks for both bullish and bearish candles, and confirm with O. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more readable charts.